So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact. Web design series HTML 26th video on Canvas and the styles and properties. What is a canvas? Canvas is nothing but a place where you are able to create a design, create a shape. You can draw something. So for that, I need a special place to draw something in a web page. That is called as canvas. Canvas is a tag on which can be accessed under a JavaScript code to draw something. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. Here is the canvas. I got the HTML canvas here. So go to this link. Go to this link and you can start doing it. Over here, I got my fill property canvas. I'll take this one. Shadow color, shadow blur, shadow offset Y, creating a pattern. So I'll see these things. Okay, let's move on to this one. So fill style. Over here you are able to see I got my HTML, and over here in the body tag only you are able to give the canvas. So let's move on. Let's move on fast. Over here I got the canvas here. So I got the canvas tag, and the name of the canvas tag is Wiki-Tiki Canvas, and you got the width as 400, and the height as 250, and the border is 1 pixel, and it is a solid blue color. So you got a solid blue color here, okay. And over here I got the script tag where get element by ID Wiki-Tiki Canvas. I took this place, the entire place I took it. Inside it I got a context of 2D. So 2D design I'm going to do it. The filling style is a green color. Okay. And the rectangle is 100, 70, 170, 110. It is 100, 70, x1, y1 is 100, 70, and you got 170, 110. Here is the portion 170, 110. I draw a rectangle. So this is how your canvas works. And over here, shadow color property, just scrolling down, you are able to see it here, shadow color property. You got a shadow blur. Shadow color is red. Blue color with the red color as shadow. Blue color with the red color as shadow. That's awesome, man. So this is how you are able to give it. And there is a green color. And there is so you are able to see it here. I got the blue color, red color, and green color. Over here, I got the green color here with the shadow. Okay, this is how your shadow color property works. Shadow blur property, obviously we have seen this shadow blur property. So shadow color and a blur. This is color and this is a blur. Okay, and over here I got the shadow offset X. How much distance you are trying to move your shadow? That's awesome, man. So I'm trying to move my shadow. Oh, shadow offset X, then offset Y. Should be moving down, man. Yes, that's good. Over here it is moving down. Okay, and apart from that, here's the create pattern concept. Create pattern in the sense I got an image, I can create a patterns. So using I got some 4 buttons, so you'll be having the image, repeat, X, Y, and no repeat. You are able to see it here. So draw of repeat. So you got a method here, draw with the image and the direction. It's repeat, image, repeat X, image, repeat Y, image, no repeat. This is how it will be. And you are able to see repeat Y, the images are getting repeated. This is a repeat Y. This is how your canvas is used to create your designs and also your drawing in HTML.